have you been through today then?
I've had my right hip replaced.
And that was done when?
I think 11 a.m.
And now it is?
10 to 6.
Okay, so let's say it's 6 hours ago.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are you able to do right now already?
Shall I get up?
Can you move your legs both?
Bend my
Okay,
knees,
perfect.
I can lift the legs,
Okay.
wiggle my toes.
Okay, perfect. So if you stand up now, okay, can you show us how you walk?
My handy man, okay.
And the other way around again. Okay, so are you sure you have had your
I'm not
hip
sure
replaced?
actually, I think I need an x-ray for proof.
Okay, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Can you...
I have a knee injury, that it's a meniscus tear which I felt was getting worse and worse, and I was recommended Professor Wilson by numerous clients of mine. He quickly diagnosed that the knee wasn't the issue and that I had a hip problem, which was a bit of a shock. Adrian was actually amazing because I'd seen numerous consultants before, two actually, who hadn't picked this up. And it took Adrian about 30 seconds to work this out. And although at that point my main aim was to be pain-free, I also wanted to be able to get back to lead in the lifestyle that I lead, which is very active, very sporty. I stand all day at work. I train a lot, I compete at CrossFit, I ride horses, I cycle a lot, I have a dog that needs a lot of walking. The surgery went well. I believe it was 30 minutes or so. I mean, just crazy how fast Kristian can operate. The whole team that they put together were fantastic. That evening I walked on my hip, pain-free. And I came home the next day. I had physio twice a week for 9 weeks. And I just felt that every day the hip was stronger and felt better. I was able to return to work at the salon on week 4. Now I'm week 18, I think, or 19. And it feels like nothing happened. I mean, it's quite extraordinary. I have no pain, no restrictions in movement. I train every day. I walk 2 or 3 hours a day. I cycle, I ride horses. I'm on my feet 8 or 9 hours, 6 days a week. And it's just amazing. I don't even notice any difference between the implanted hip and my natural hip. Adrian and Kristian were amazing from day one. I mean, Adrian was so quick at diagnosing the problem and setting up pretty much the whole journey through for my surgery and aftercare, which I'm really grateful for. Kristian is obviously some kind of genius when it comes to orthopaedic surgery. My leg length is the same again because I think there was a 1 centimetre difference before surgery.